Blockchain is one of the most talked about technologies, but many still don't know how it actually works. You've probably heard of it in connection with Bitcoin or NFTs, but blockchain goes way beyond that. It's being used in banking, supply chains, voting systems, healthcare, and even gaming. But what is a blockchain? And why are companies, governments, and developers obsessed with it? If it sounds like something too technical or confusing, don't worry, we're here to simplify it for you. In this video, we'll break down blockchain step by step, using plain language and easy-to-follow examples. We'll show you how blocks are made, how they connect, and why they can't be changed once created. Think of it like a digital notebook that everyone can see, but no one can secretly edit. Every time a transaction happens, it gets recorded permanently and transparently on this public notebook. Whether you're curious about crypto or just want to understand modern tech, this video is for you. You'll learn about blocks, chains, hashes, nodes, miners, and how it all works together to build trust. We'll also show you why blockchain matters and how it could change the way the internet works. From sending money to tracking packages, blockchain creates trust without needing a middleman. And the best part? It's all automated by code, not controlled by banks, governments, or companies. You don't need a tech background to understand this, just an open mind and a little curiosity. We've simplified everything into bite-sized, easy-to-digest lessons so anyone can follow along. By the end, you'll have a solid understanding of how blockchain technology really works. And you'll be able to explain it to your friends like a pro. No more guessing or confusion. So if you're ready to unlock the basics of blockchain, you're in the right place. Let's break it all down, simply, clearly, and step by step. Let's dive into blockchain technology. 1. What is blockchain? Blockchain is a digital ledger that stores information in blocks, which are linked to form a continuous chain. Each block holds data, a timestamp, and a hash that makes it unique and verifiable. Once a block is filled with data, it links to the previous block, forming a secure chain. This structure ensures that no block can be altered without affecting the entire chain. Blockchain is decentralized, meaning no single authority controls it. It's shared across many computers. It's transparent, permanent, and tamper-proof, making it ideal for trusted digital record-keeping. 2. How blocks work. A block is like a digital record book, containing a list of transactions or important data entries. Each block has a header, transaction details, a timestamp, and a hash to verify its integrity. It also includes the hash of the previous block, ensuring every block is connected in order. If someone tries to change one block, the whole chain becomes invalid due to the hash mismatch. Blocks are added in chronological order, preserving the history of every transaction. This ensures that once something is recorded, it can't be secretly changed or deleted. 3. What is a hash? A hash is a digital fingerprint, a unique code created by a mathematical function from the block's data. Even a tiny change in data produces a completely different hash, alerting everyone of tampering. Hashes link blocks together, preserving the chain's integrity and ensuring nothing goes unnoticed. They are generated using cryptographic algorithms that make them extremely difficult to forge. The hash of one block becomes part of the next, creating a secure and traceable sequence. This makes blockchain trustworthy, as every entry is sealed with an unbreakable digital lock. 4. The role of nodes. Nodes are the backbone of blockchain. They are computers that store, share, and verify data. Each node has a full copy of the blockchain and updates it when new blocks are added. They communicate with each other to agree on which transactions are valid and which are not. This system of consensus ensures the data is accurate, consistent, and tamper-free. There's no central server. Every node plays a part in maintaining the system. More nodes mean more security, reliability, and resistance against hacking or fraud. 5. What is mining? Mining is the process of verifying transactions and adding them to the blockchain. Miners solve complex puzzles to validate a block, competing with others around the world. The first to solve the puzzle earns a reward, usually in the form of cryptocurrency. This process is called proof of work, and it keeps the network secure and spam-free. Mining takes a lot of energy and computing power, which has sparked environmental concerns. Still, it's a critical part of how blockchains like Bitcoin stay decentralized and secure. 6. Blockchain vs. traditional databases. Traditional databases are centralized. They're controlled by one organization or authority. Blockchain, on the other hand, is decentralized and doesn't rely on any single owner. Data in traditional systems can be changed or deleted, but blockchain data is permanent. Anyone can verify transactions on a blockchain, promoting transparency and public trust. There's no need for middlemen or manual approvals. Blockchain handles trust automatically. It's more secure, efficient, and resistant to corruption or data loss. 7. Public vs. private blockchains. Public blockchains, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, are open to everyone. Anyone can join and validate. Private blockchains are limited to select users, often used by businesses and institutions. Public chains offer more transparency, while private ones are faster and more customizable. In public systems, anyone can check transactions. Private chains may restrict visibility. Public blockchains are harder to shut down, but private ones give more control to companies. Each type serves different needs depending on the level of openness and control required. 8. Real-world uses of blockchain. Blockchain is revolutionizing industries far beyond cryptocurrency and digital tokens. In finance, it powers fast, secure international payments with lower fees and no middlemen. In supply chains, it tracks goods from origin to delivery with full transparency and traceability. In healthcare, it secures patient records and gives doctors instant access to medical data. Blockchain also enables digital identity protection, voting systems, and anti-counterfeit tools. Even games and art, like NFTs, are being built entirely on blockchain networks. 9. Benefits of blockchain. Blockchain offers unmatched transparency. Every transaction is visible and recorded forever. It removes the need for third parties, saving time and reducing the cost of trust. Its decentralized nature makes it nearly impossible to hack or shut down. It works 24/7 across borders without needing banks or financial institutions. Every transaction is verifiable, traceable, and secured with cryptography. It builds trust between users and organizations in a digital, automated way. 10. Challenges of blockchain. Scalability is still a major issue. Some blockchains process transactions slower than needed. The energy used by mining is massive, especially in proof-of-work blockchains like Bitcoin. Blockchain can be complex, making it hard for non-tech users to fully understand or adopt. Government regulations vary and may restrict or ban certain blockchain applications. Costs and fees can rise when demand spikes, especially on congested networks. Despite its promise, blockchain is still evolving and not a one-size-fits-all solution. Thanks for watching. Weevil blockchain makes more sense now than it did a few minutes ago. If this video helped simplify blockchain for you, hit that like button to support more content like this. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly guides to crypto, tech, and digital innovation. Tap the bell icon so you don't miss the next episode in our Money Power Learn series. Got questions or suggestions? Drop a comment. We reply and love hearing from curious minds like yours. We're committed to making complex ideas feel easy and clear for everyone, no matter your background. Blockchain is just the beginning. There's so much more happening in tech right now. Check out our video on smart contracts or NFTs to keep building your blockchain knowledge. Thanks for being here. Keep learning, keep exploring, and stay ahead in the digital world. See you in the next video, and remember, the future is now, and you're part of it.